Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will find out the best free tax filing between Wealthsimple Tax and TurboTax in Canada. 4 completely free in 2025. If you're looking for the best tax filing app in Canada, then watch this till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads. And let's get into this. TurboTax is do-it-yourself tax software from Intuit. You may be familiar with Intuit as the makers of QuickBooks, the popular small business accounting software application. Intuit Canada is a wholly owned subsidiary of Intuit Incorporated, which is an American company. TurboTax software has been around for several years and is well known to do-it-yourself taxpayers. The advantage of this longevity is that TurboTax has developed many features and can handle most types of tax returns, from simple to complicated. For Canadians, there are currently 4 different versions of TurboTax: Free, Standard, Premier, and Self-Employed. You may find it difficult to determine exactly how much you will end up paying for TurboTax, as some online reviewers complain about persistent notices within the application, attempting to upsell you to additional features. It is possible to start preparing your return with one version of the software and then find out later on that you need a more expensive version to complete your return due to certain elements of your tax situation. Wealthsimple Tax started out as Simple Tax, a relatively small Canadian company based in Vancouver. Over the past decade, Simple Tax became popular with Canadian DIY taxpayers by providing a pay-what-you-want pricing model. In September of 2019, Simple Tax was acquired by Wealthsimple, another Canadian company, and rebranded as Wealthsimple Tax. Although not as well known as TurboTax, Simple Tax has a good reputation for being easy to use and applicable to a variety of tax return situations. You can file previous year tax returns all the way back to the 2012 tax year using previous versions of Simple Tax. Like TurboTax, you can use Simple Tax to connect to CRA Autofill My Return and download tax slips before entering them into the software. While Simple Tax appears to maintain the pay-what-you-want pricing option, for now some online reviewers are worried that this may change as a result of the recent acquisition by Wealthsimple. From 2024, Wealthsimple charges for 2 additional feature tiers of the software, Plus and Pro. Wealthsimple is an online investment management service that does charge for their other products. Some online reviewers are also disenchanted that Simple Tax appears to be backtracking on their long-standing promise that they would never ever sell your data, as the company's posted privacy policy has been modified on this topic since the Wealthsimple acquisition. For most relatively simple tax returns, both options will allow you to get the job done. For a breadth of features, the edge probably goes slightly in favor of TurboTax. On the other hand, if using a purely Canadian company is important to you and you like the pay-what-you-want pricing model, Simple Tax may be the more attractive choice. Through that basic comparison, you can easily decide what suits you in your workflow. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.